Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to report problem on Instagram. So let's get to it. Here I have my Instagram opened, and if we want to report a problem, the first thing we're going to do is just click on the profile button. Then click on the button on the top right corner of your screen. Then just select settings and privacy. Tap on it. Then we can scroll down until we find help option. And it's over here. Just tap on it. And since we want to report a problem, we can click on report a problem right here. Click on it. Then actually I have activated this feature. So actually I can shake my phone to report a problem, but we can also report problem without shaking. And I'm just going to demonstrate how we can shake our phone to report a problem. So I'm shaking my phone. Alright, and this option will appear after I shake my phone, and we can click on report a problem right here. But if we don't want to shake our phone, we can simply click on report a problem, then click on report problem without shaking. Alright, and click on include and continue. And we can explain the problem that we face right here. And for example, I'm going to type like this. And we can also upload a photo. And we can also take a screenshot of our problem. So I'm just going to take a screenshot, then click on this button, this camera button, to take a screenshot. Alright guys, and after we are done writing our problem or explaining our problem, we can click on send button right here to send this problem to Instagram. Okay guys, and that's how we can report problem on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.